You can playfully tease a girl that you like using telepathy. And this telepathic teasing is going to be a million times stronger than your normal teasing. And it's also going to get you the girl that you want. But first, you have to understand the mental nature of your universe. Your physical universe is not real. Even though you can perceive everything in your physical reality through your five senses and you think it is so solid, it is so real, it is actually unreal at all. Your universe, physical universe, is completely an extension of your own mind. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was not allowed to game anyone, I had panic attacks and anxiety. I was just confined to the limitation of my own home. And then I started to turn inwards to heal these annoying mental health issues. So I started to meditate. I started to visualize. I started to study about spirituality, consciousness. And that's when I found out that yogis have always called our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion, just a magical lie. Your physical reality is just a magical lie because whenever you can upgrade your mental state, your physical circumstances, life circumstances will upgrade as well. So, right now, if there are certain things in your life that do not please you, you can just get rid of those situations if you are able to upgrade your mind. If you can if you want to attract wonderful events in your life, you can do that simply by upgrading your mind. This is the reason why Neville Goddard said imagination creates reality, because your reality is not solid. It is completely controlled by your mind, your imagination, your attention, the feelings that are present in your mind. All of these things actually bend your physical reality. So, if you properly understand how to use the power of your mind, how to use your imagination, how to use attention, how to use telepathy in order to attract the girl that you want, in order to tease the girl that you want, then you do not have to learn pickup tactics and dating advice from pickup gurus and psychology coaches. These people are so deluded that they think that their outer game tactics are helping them attract the girl that they want. But what they do not understand is the reality of their physical universe. Their physical universe, their physical reality is an extension of their own mind. They have accidentally programmed their mind to attract women towards them. They do not know this. However, if you understand what I say to you in this video, then you can use your telepathy, you can use your imagination to tease the girl that you want. And that girl in your physical reality will start to notice you, will start to compliment you, will start to want to be with you, simply because you have done certain things using your own mind. So, first step of telepathically teasing the girl that you want and actually attracting her is getting into a receptive attitude of mind. And this is done through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, or non-sleep deep rest protocol, is a process through which you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation or a sense of sleepiness. This is when your breathing rate starts to slow down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves slow down as well. Compared to the beta waves that are being produced by your brain right now, when you do Yoga Nidra correctly, your brain will produce these slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves. Now, your brain will be able to think in pictures. You'll be able to visualize things clearly. And all this mental imagery, this visualization, is going to go right into the deepest part of your mind, into your subconscious mind. And then you can actually change your physical reality. So after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal act where you have already done the things that you desire and you're already the person that you want to become. So start to visualize that you are already holding the girl that you desire in your arms. She's already saying wonderful things to you. Oh my God, you're so attractive. You're so interesting. You're so funny. You can see that her pupils are dilated because she's so attracted to you. You can kiss her in this imagination. Imagine that she is touching you. When you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, for example, maybe you guys are watching a beautiful mountain range or a beach together, and this imaginal act is very vivid, then your brain starts to interpret this imagination as happening to you in real time. Your brain will start to believe that this girl that you desire has already fallen in love with you. She is already complimenting how interesting and how playful and how flirtatious and how amazing you are. Your brain will actually start to form neural networks that reflect like all these wonderful things have happened to you. Now, you need to derive feelings from this imaginal act by holding your attention on this imagination and mentally rehearsing it over and over again. Through enough mental rehearsal, you are going to feel the feelings of joy or gratitude or satisfaction or thrill. But this is difficult because your attention has a very monkey like nature. It likes to go to one past traumatic event, or it starts to anticipate the worst case scenario where the girl rejects you or slaps you in the face. But if you're disciplined enough and you're able to hold your attention on this imagination where girls are just wanting to be with you, you are already holding them in your arms and you're already super attractive and you're super powerful, then you're going to feel all these elevated positive feelings of joy or gratitude. Now, what you've done is you have combined imagination with elevated feelings. This imagination plus emotion is a program that is ready to go and impregnate your subconscious mind. This is what I mean by telepathy. Imagination plus feeling is a telepathy that you have just performed in your mind. Now, your subconscious mind takes this imagination plus feeling and it is going to interact with every atom of your physical world until whatever you have imagined actually starts to materialize in your three-dimensional reality. Your subconscious mind is infinitely powerful, infinitely wise, infinitely intelligent. It just knows what to do in order to make your visualization come true in your physical reality. Girls in your visible world will start to lose free will and they will suddenly start to notice you. They will want to be with you. You yourself will start to lose free will and you'll just utter the right kinds of words. You'll just do the right kind of body language and behaviors. The outer game tactics will just naturally flow out of you because your subconscious mind has already taken this program. You're not doing anything. The girls are not doing anything. Your subconscious mind is doing everything after it has taken this program. Everyone in your physical world is going to lose free will, and whatever you have imagined will actually happen. So, this is how you telepathically tease the girl that you desire and attract her towards you. I want you to do this meditation, this telepathic communication, for 30 days because you have to be able to train your imagination, your attention, your feelings. Because a normal human being cannot visualize strongly. He cannot provide the sensory vividness in his visualization. He cannot hold his attention on the desired imagination. His attention span is cooked. He cannot feel the positive feelings for a long period of time because he has practiced feeling bored, feeling unworthy, feeling negative emotions for the majority portion of his life. So invest in yourself for at least 30 days before falling asleep. Do this meditation, and one day this imagination plus feeling is going to land into your subconscious mind, and suddenly everything that you have visualized will actually start to materialize. When you do this meditation, just hold these positive feelings and go to sleep. And when you wake up in the morning, forget about it. Just consider this meditation process as an experiment, as an offering to God, to universe, to whatever you believe in. When you wake up in the morning, live your life normally. Because if you do not, you might become anxious or concerned about if your visualization is actually going to happen or not. And when you stay in the feeling of anxiety or concern, you're pushing the visualization further and further away. But if you just do this meditation as an experiment, because you're the scientist of your life, and you wake up in the morning and you just forget about it, you just live your life normally, then you become a magnet for all these wonderful circumstances to come towards you. So this is how you actually attract the girl without relying on outer game tactics. Forget dating gurus, forget about pickup artists. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a very strong imagination, strong attention, strong emotional capacity, so that you can attract the girl that you want without having to rely on outer game tactics, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.